I'm going to show you how to delete files from a GitHub repository. Quick, clean, and without breaking anything. Whether you accidentally uploaded the wrong file or just want to clean up your repo, this is the guide you need. Before we start, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not promoting any unsafe practices. Let's dive in. Deleting files on GitHub is actually really simple. First, go to your repository on GitHub. Navigate to the file you want to delete, click on the file to open it, then look for the trash can icon at the top right. Click that. GitHub will ask you to confirm the deletion and add a commit message. This commit message explains why you're deleting the file. Something like remove old file works perfectly. After that, just click Commit Changes and GitHub will remove the file from your repository. If you're working locally with Git, the process is just as easy. Open your terminal and navigate to your local repository folder. Run git rm file name for the file you want to remove. Then commit the change with git commit -m delete file name and push it back to GitHub using git push. That's it. The file is gone from your repository online and locally. Simple, clean, and keeps your project tidy. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more GitHub tips, and I'll see you in the next video.